let's see what's going on with this. I think this theft light is why it's not starting. Okay, I just googled this theft light thing. It says get in the vehicle, shut the door, and cycle the key on and off 8 times. So we're still at this anti-theft light. We've tried to reset it every way possible. Reset the computer, turn the key on a gajillion times, unlock the door, lock the door, all this stupid stuff to disable this p.a.t.s system, they call it. We took the key to the locksmith to make sure the transponder was working. It is. So my next thing is I went to the junkyard and pulled the transceiver off another one of these. So let's see if that does it. It was at this point that I actually had a good idea. I borrowed basically this exact scanner from my coworker and took it home. After plugging into the car, it told me that the key was not the correct key for the vehicle. Even though the locksmith checked it out to make sure it was transponding, it wasn't tied into this vehicle. I followed the directions on the scanner, reprogrammed the new key, and this was the result. Yeah, Jameson!